If you want to take a screenshot on Google Pixel 11, we have a couple of different methods. The main way to take a screenshot is by using the power button and the volume down button at the same time. So you can press both of these buttons at once. There we go, and we easily can capture a screenshot just like so. If you have any app opened and you want to take a screenshot of that app, let me actually rotate to this. There we go. Then what you can do is you can go to background apps or recent, and then here below the preview we have this screenshot button. So we can tap over here to take a screenshot of that app preview. So this is how it looks like. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can go to settings on your phone. Here in settings, go to system. Then in system, go to gestures. And then here we have quick tap to start actions. You can turn this option on, and you can choose to take a screenshot if you tap at the back of the phone twice. So let me try to demonstrate how it looks like. So I'm just gonna double tap the back of the phone, and hopefully I just do that in the correct spot. Usually this is where we need to tap on the Google logo or right next to it. So over here, maybe I'm gonna try to hold it like this. And there we go. You can also feel a little bit of vibration if you actually perform this correctly. And you can even do this lightly. You don't have to tap strongly. There we go. Now it actually worked. And there we go. And last but not least, you can also go back to settings and this time scroll all the way down to go to accessibility. And then here in accessibility, we should be able to find accessibility menu. And if you use the menu shortcut over here, let's press OK, you can tap on this button that just appeared. And in here, you can find a screenshot button as well. So you can use it to take a screenshot like so. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.